Alright, I got this part cut out. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're doing the rust repair on the floor pans on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. Just trying to clean it up and get everything fixed up. And guys, if y'all know anywhere where I can find a floor pan for that car, I will just buy it and replace the whole thing. But right now I can't find one, so I'm just trying to repair as much as I can. I'll show y'all a little bit right now, and then we'll do more work on the vehicle tomorrow. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, let me get under here and show y'all the little progress I got. Y'all see that rust right there in the metal I cut off? Oh man, my camera ain't gonna fit under here. Dang it. Let me show y'all though. You see right here, I already cut this area out. And somebody repaired it before, so that metal still half decent. Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think I should do. Fiberglass, or try to fill in the rest of these holes, or what. But it's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work. Shout out to all the guys. I'm gonna turn the camera sideways so y'all can see that metal. But shout out to all the DIY guys out there that do their own work and stuff like that. So I was getting ready to go ahead and treat this area. And then if it turns out good, I'll cover this tomorrow, or I don't know yet. I might fiberglass over. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just showing y'all what I got going on. It's already kind of dark, but we're gonna go ahead and get the video going, and then we'll finish up here in a little bit to y'all. It'll be tomorrow for me.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, I am back. Man, it's life calls, duty calls. Just been busy, super busy. So really it's like 2 days later. I'm gonna try to get the whole bottom of this car knocked out today. Well, today and tonight. I'm gonna show y'all as much as I can on and off, because I gotta grind this stuff, cut this stuff. And look, my wheel fell off of my creeper. But I gotta, well, you know what? I was thinking about this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up all the metal and then treat it, because you gotta treat it. Let me get under here, guys. The camera might be shaking. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all up and treat it, because you gotta let it sit for 24 hours anyways. So I'm gonna stop cutting metal like I was doing, as y'all seen in the video earlier, and I'm gonna just clean everything and go ahead and treat it. I see I cut out this is up under the back seat right here. I already cut that out too, but I'm gonna stop cutting, guys. I'm gonna just clean, get all the rust off. We're gonna treat it, and we'll see how it looks in the morning, and I'm gonna show y'all on and off much as I can, because it's gonna be hard unless I figure out a way to prop this camera up under here. But first things first, I'm gonna get this car on jack stands, so I have a little bit more room too. I got the jack under it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on jack stands. So let me get that part done. Oh, and there go the El Camino. I'm getting ready to do something with that Monday, so y'all stay tuned for that video too. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, it's kind of hard getting the that rhino liner off of there. So y'all give me a minute. I was using this buffing wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out to the wire wheel. And those rust wheels work real good, like the abrasive wheels, but mine is almost out, so I'm gonna save it. But I'm gonna use this wire wheel to take some of that chunky stuff off, and I'll show y'all the progress. Let's see what we can, hold on, move all my stuff. I'm gonna get, let me show y'all right here. I'm gonna get this chunky, see if I can get this chunky stuff right here. And then I'm gonna work my way that way. It's a little more up in here. See if my wire wheel can get that too. But it's gonna look good, guys, when it gets done. I just want to show y'all this part real quick before it gets dark. But I want y'all to look at this, and then when we clean it and then treat it and see how much better it looks. But I'm making a lot of progress. I can't turn around right now, but y'all see how it's going. It's looking way better. As we made it to the driver's side is way worse, but I got all this stuff sanded down. We started at 7 p.m. and it's 12:30 in the morning right now. I'm super tired, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and treat it so y'all can see the difference. Let me slide over here so y'all can see this side. Y'all see all the brown rust. It's been sanded, but you can still see a little brown on there. Y'all see all this on the ground? Look at all this, man. It's crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look once it's treated, and then we'll finish up. We'll start cutting out more spots. We'll get ready to weld in our metal. Can't get all the way under there because this stuff is dripping, but look how it's killing everything. Look how it's killing all that rust. Remember how brown it looked? That's why I want y'all to pay attention to over there. Now this company don't see, that's that spot I showed y'all. Look, all the brown is gone, the rest is gone, and that's only been 5 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit 24 hours. But this company don't sponsor me, so hey, I reached out to them, they didn't sponsor me, so I ain't gonna put their name on there. But anyways, we'll let this sit 24 hours, and then we'll do a little more cleaning, we'll do a little more cutting, and we'll patch everything up, and then we'll get ready to paint this thing.
What they talking about? I don't know.
This morning I came out here and swept up a little bit of the mess. We got a lot of rust off this car. A lot. It's crazy how much came off of there. I gotta cut these old fuel lines off because they in my way. But we're gonna see, we're gonna check our progress real quick. See how everything came out. Golly. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna check it out and see how good it came out, guys. Now we'll be able to see our holes and see what like real metal we do have left. I wish I would have did this a long time ago. That way I could already started on this area. But as y'all can see, it looks a lot better. So we still do have metal. Oh yeah, and if you see any brown spots, that means you didn't hit it good enough. So some spots you're gonna have to go back and go over. But yeah, for the most part, it looks real good, guys. Let's see if I can find a brown spot so I can show y'all. Unless that's carpet showing through. But it's a brown spot right there, see? See that right there? That means I didn't hit that spot good enough. And it was dark, and it was like 2 something in the morning. So, back area finally clean. I was so dirty. It was crazy. My wife was like, dang. That part. Yeah, looking pretty good. It's hard for me to swing the camera around up under here, guys. Give me a second. The back area. Focus. There you go. Couple brown spots, not too much. Looks pretty good. Looks way better than it did. Look at this area right here. It looks way better. Now it looks like the front. I did the front while I had the motor out. So the front is good. Come on, camera. Cut that fuel line off of there too. It's in the way. Cut these old wires off. So, yeah. Looks good to me. Today's my daughter's birthday. So I'm gonna finish up out here. We're gonna get to celebrate her birthday today. She turned 10. And I'll put a picture in the community section. Y'all need to just follow me on Instagram. I post every day over there. Let's see what else can we do today. I might cut a couple spots out since the car is already jacked up. What y'all think? Let's go ahead and cut a couple spots. We probably can do that. Alright, I got this part cut out. This is under the back seat, driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it'll break loose. I left my gloves out there. Let me grab, let's see. Trying to get it out in one piece. So I can take measurements, but it'll be alright. Grind this way over there. Don't do this without gloves. Hold on, guys. Let me put y'all down.
What you doing? Ha, ha, ha.
There we go. I had to grab my gloves and my shield, but that piece is cut out. Done deal. We'll cut our piece and weld that in. That'll be, the rest of this will probably be next video, and then we'll do a coating on the whole bottom so we can prevent the rust from coming back. Yeah, we'll rubberize it. We'll do like the truck liner on there, cover everything up. We'll paint what needs to be painted, and we'll put a bed liner on the rest. And I gotta cut this piece out too, so, but I gotta get ready for this birthday party. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.